Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a watch that is a little on the unusual side. This is my second watch from the brand Olto-8, and they always do something just a little bit different with their watches, and I'm excited to share this one with you today. I wanted to do an unboxing. I'll be doing a full video at a later point too, but I wanted to do the unboxing today because there is a sale on. I'm not sure how long it's going to last, and just wanted to give you guys the opportunity to purchase at the discounted price if you're interested in the watch. So let's get to it and check it out. All right, so ditched the outer DHL bag. There's the website, Olto8.com. And let's get into this. Oh, open here. I think that should do it. Yes. Yeah, I believe the watch does come with two straps. So this is a croc embossed leather. And let's take a look at the watch. They do a pretty good job on the packaging, getting it here in one piece. Get rid of the outer sleeve. And let's get to the watch. Warranty card. A green strap to match the watch. Try it on the watch here in just a second. And then we have the watch itself. All right, let me get this on one of the straps here quick, and we'll get in for a closer look at this crazy dial. And here it is all strapped up. Went with the green. I'll show you guys what it looks like on the black when I do the follow-up video. The watch, by the way, is the Infinity 1. The last time I had a watch from the brand, it was the Infinity 2, which is a rectangular shaped watch. Nice gunmetal case. We've got a display case back. It's an 8000 series Miyota movement. Let's just zoom in and take a look at the dial here. And to show you guys kind of how to read the time on this, I always find it easiest just to start adjusting the time. So you can see the minutes are on the top portion of the dial. Then we have that sort of stubby little hour hand on the portion of the dial just below the minutes, and we have the running seconds at the center of the dial. You can see this is not a hacking movement. I don't know what it is, but I just love getting watches like this in for videos. They're a little more fun to shoot. They're also a lot of fun to wear, so I'm looking forward to getting some wrist time with this one. I have another watch that's coming. It's supposed to be coming tomorrow, so I might do one more unboxing to follow this one up, hopefully again tomorrow, if not maybe after the weekend. But it's an addition to my own personal collection that I purchased quite a while back. I've been waiting on it for a couple of months now, so yeah, cool. Let's take a look on wrist. So I was wearing the Navigator, the Marathon Navigator. I picked this up the other day, and coincidentally, the watch that I have coming in, hopefully tomorrow, is also a Canadian quartz watch. I wonder if anybody can guess what that is. I bet some of you can. So there it is. Pretty funky looking watch. I will leave a link in the description below where you can find these. Again, these are on sale they're normally in the 5s and they're in the 3s for a limited time. I'm not sure how long that is, but link will be below to the site. Really appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.